ChallengeRunner is a comprehensive fitness challenge management platform that can be used to run everything from a simple walking challenge all the way up to a multifaceted tournament where participants compete together or against one another over many aspects of wellness, including fitness, mindfulness, sleep, water consumption, healthy lifestyle, or any other activity the admin wants to track and improve. With ChallengeRunner, the admin and participants can easily create, manage, and participate in challenges. ChallengeRunner can be used to collect data from fitness trackers automatically or allow manually entered data if desired. The platform supports teams, individuals, or a combination of both. ChallengeRunner has been integrated into the Slack, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx collaboration platforms. The main objective for this video is to demonstrate how to quickly create a walking challenge. I will then show how the challenge appears from the user perspective. Finally, I will detail the options for using teams in your challenge. For the purposes of this demo, I will create a simple walking challenge, but any type of challenge can be created in a similar fashion. After logging in as a challenge admin, click the Create Challenge button. Select the Generate a Walking Challenge option and click Next. Click Next twice to select the default options and then select Start and End dates. Click Finish when ready. Now that the challenge has been created, you have the option to add additional activities or invite participants to your challenge. First, click the Add Participants button. There are several options for enrolling participants in your challenge. The last option allows the admin to upload a CSV file, which will create accounts for the user. The first, default option, will create an invitation link and QR code, which you can then send to your prospective participants, allowing them to join the challenge. To select the default option, click Next. Now just copy the invitation URL or QR code and send them to your prospective participants. Recipients who click the link can register for the challenge by entering their name and email address. For the sake of this demo, I use the second option to enroll some test users in our new challenge. I'll click Finish to close the dialog. Now we will open the participant view to enter data and see the challenge from the user perspective. As you can see in the participants panel, I've enrolled 5 participants in this challenge. Click the Switch to User View button. This view allows the admin to see the challenge from the user perspective with a few caveats. First, normal users do not have a Switch to Admin View button. And second, normal users do not have a Participants dropdown from which to select a participant. Instead, the system will know who the user is once they log in. First, we will select the first challenge participant from the Participants drop-down list. We can now enter data for this user, or the participant can authorize ChallengeRunner to collect data from their tracker. If the user chooses to authorize a tracker, they can select from the list of available trackers and then click the authorized link. Since I allowed manual data entry in this challenge, I'll add some steps for this user. Once the data saves, the leaderboard will be updated automatically. I'll go ahead and add a little data for 2 of the other participants. If I want to add some data for prior days, I can just select the desired date from the Log Date box. Click the Switch to Admin View to change back to the admin perspective. For a simple challenge, that's all you need. Participants can enter data through the website or smartphone app, and admins can manage the challenge from the website. However, for this demo, I'll show how to easily the system handles teams. First, click the Challenge Teams button in the Participants panel. With the Challenge Teams dialog, the admin can create teams or allow participants to create teams for themselves. You can also allow participants to select teams for themselves, place participants into specific teams, or randomly assign participants to teams. The default option is to automatically average team data so that small teams can effectively compete with larger teams. However, you can select the option to display team point totals instead of averages if desired. For the purposes of this demo, I will add 2 teams, Alpha and Bravo. I could allow participants to select from these teams themselves or have the system assign participants randomly to teams as they register. However, I'm going to click the Members link next to each team to assign participants to teams myself. I'll assign the first 2 participants to Team Alpha and the last 3 participants to Team Bravo. Once the participants have been added to teams, you can see that the main leaderboard is displaying team data averaged by the number of participants in the team. I can also click the Additional Leaderboards button to see other challenge leaderboards. From the leaderboard dialog, I can view the challenge leaderboard by individual, as well as team, or even view daily results. In addition, I can filter results by date range or minimum points, view the most improved report, a leaderboard by participant location, and use a built-in raffle system to select challenge winners if desired. Thank you for viewing this demonstration of a simple challenge using the ChallengeRunner platform. For more information, please navigate to challengerunner.com/admin-manual/getting-started or use the QR code. Thank you.